The Danes started with a system of units based on a Greek pous of 308.4 millimeters, which they picked up through trade in the Late Bronze Age, early Iron Age. Some early standards of measure can be recovered from measure drawings made of the 52.5-foot long Hjortspring boat, which, though dating to the early Iron Age, exemplifies plank-built vessels of the Late Bronze Age, and the 82-foot-long Nydam ship. Thwarts are typically spaced about 3 foot apart. From May 1, 1683, King Christian V of Denmark introduced an office to oversee weights and measures, Adjustdivision, first led by Ole Romer. The definition of the allen was set to 2 Rhine feet. Romer later discovered that differing standards for the Rhine foot existed, and in 1698 an iron Copenhagen standard was made. A pendulum definition for the foot was first suggested by Romer, introduced in 1820, and changed in 1835. The metric system was introduced in 1907. Length. See also Danish route mil, Danish mile. Towards the end of the 17th century, Ole Romer, Gerardus Mercator, and other contemporaries of the great Dutch cartographer This began following Claudius Ptolemy in connecting the mile to the great circle of the earth, and Romer defined it as 12,000 allen. This definition was adopted in 1816 as the Prussian mile. The coordinated definition from 1835 was 7.532 kilometers. Earlier, there were many variants, the most commonplace the Scielonske mil of 17,600 allen or 11.13 kilometers. Palm, for circumference, 8.86 centimeters. Allen, L, 2 fod. Foot, about 313.85 millimeters in most recent usage. Defined as a Rhine fuse 314.07 millimeters from 1683, before that 314.1 millimeters with variations. Rut 5026 millimeters, 16 fod. Cavata, quarter, 1/4 allen. Tomma, thumb, 1/12 fod. Linny, line, 1/12 tomma. Scrupel, scruple, 1/12 linny. Volume. Potter, pot, from 1683 and a 32nd fod cubed, about in 19th and 20th centuries. Smortender, barrel of butter, from 1683, 136 potter. Corntinder, barrel of corn, from 1683, 144 potter. Weight. Pund, pound, from 1683 the weight of 1/62 fod cubed of water, 499.75 grams. Miscellaneous. Duzin, dozen, 12. SNEs, score, 20. Skoke 60. All 4 snees, 80. Gross, 144.